Hello, everybody, and welcome. We're just having a chat with Richard Stergulz and Frank Ordaz today. Rich and Frank met each other for a filming session about a month and a half ago, and they had not met before with each other. But since then, I think we've created a great bond and a great relationship with Frank, extraordinarily talented man. How did you find the day, Frank?
I had a wonderful time. Your crew was extremely professional. We just, we bonded almost immediately after I took them to a steak restaurant. So we had some good steak. We filmed for about, I don't know, 5 to 8 hours, and they just let me go. They let me be me. So when you have a crew that just lets you do what you do, it just kind of flowed. So you're very, very spot on. So I really appreciated the entire opportunity to have this time to do something for Blick and for put some color in your life.
Yeah, and we've got to obviously thank Blick for stepping up to the plate and really reaching out and being part of what Colour in Your Life has been doing. You know, we've obviously got a global audience these days, and they can see the advantages of working with people like you and Rich that are both very professional and extremely good artists. So how did you find the day, Rich, anyway?
It was nothing short of miraculous. I mean, Frank, you are amazing. You're one of the best artists I've ever watched paint.
And you're amazing at what you do. I mean, kudos at you, Richard. You were awesome.
Well, you looked. It was magical. That's all I know. It was and what a great day. I mean, you were completely professional as well, man. You took the reins. You took off. You introduced the Utrecht paints, which I think I'm a big fan of now. So I'm going to go out and buy a big set of them.
Well, that's the thing, Richard. I've always been using them. So it wasn't like I had, this thing was insincere. I love Utrecht paints. In fact, when Blick bought them out, I was like, oh, I hope they're still going to be the same quality. And they were. So I've been using them for over 10 years when I discovered them in Sacramento at the Utrecht store, now the Blick store. So it's been just a wonderful marriage, actually.
Well, they started off with the right artist then.
Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Frank, for spending the time with us. And it's been great, and you as well, Rich. It's just fabulous to catch up again. And thank you so much, Blick, for what you've done too. We will go a long way with each other, I can assure you. So thank you.
Thank you.